Rishabh Pant took multiple blows throughout the second session and survived till tea, but not for long after that. Pant was batting on 40 of 98 balls when he fell to Scott Boland. That ended a 48-run stand between him and Jadeja, which came in 151 balls. Boland then rattled India by sending back Nitish Kumar Reddy for a golden duck next ball. India were 107 quarters in 50 overs at the end of the second session, with the partnership between Pant and Jadeja standing on 35 of a whopping 111 balls. Pant was hit on the bicep and on the head in the same over from Mitchell Starc and then copped a blow on his crotch late in the session from Pat Cummins. Virat Kohli earlier ground it out for 69 balls and diligently left balls outside off throughout the first session of day 1 of the fifth test at the SCG. However, he was suckered into taking a poke early in the second by Scott Boland and edged it to third slip. This tactic has worked like clockwork against him throughout the series. Kohli and Shubman Gill seemed set to bat out the first session, but the former fell of the last ball before lunch. Gill seemed to be distracted by his own gamesmanship as he suddenly charged down the track to Nathan Lyon off the last ball of the session and edged it to slips. He had walked down the pitch and to eat up some time just before the ball was delivered. Earlier, KL Rahul and Yashasvi Jaiswal's reunion at the top of the order didn't last too long, with the former falling for a rather soft dismissal to Mitchell Starc in the fifth over of the day. Jaiswal was squared up and sent back by Scott Boland shortly thereafter in the pace's first over of the match, after which he nearly dismissed Virat Kohli the very next ball. Shubman Gill, who had been dropped for the fourth test, has returned to the squad and walked out into the middle after Rahul was dismissed, and he is now facing the heat with Kohli. The struggling Rohit Sharma is sitting out in this test, and Jasprit Bumrah is leading India once again. He won the toss and chose to bat first at the Sydney Cricket Ground ahead of the fifth test against Australia.